Multiply by 4.
Putting their math skills to the test. Fourth graders at Okatie Elementary School are facing off against a team of parents in a fun competition called Are You Smarter Than a Fourth Grader? The interactive game is designed to help students review key math concepts ahead of their upcoming SC Ready math exam. Students and parents are working through 10 questions covering topics like algebra, patterns, measurement, and more.
As we prepare for SC Ready, some of it is just reviewing the basic foundations that we've been going over in fourth grade. A lot of new standards have come into place this year, so taking some time to just review some of the skills that are new to them. But also, as the test has been updated, we have a lot of different types of questions, and so we tried to review that today too and incorporate that to get them used to it. But then the other side of this today, the intention was just to build some confidence, to see you are prepared, you are ready, and you're ready to rock this test.
The competition came down to the final question, and in the end, it was a tie with both teams answering every question correctly.
And how about us getting them right?
That wasn't surprising because you guys probably did them when you were in fourth grade.
The math is very different, so it's interesting as we explain the questions to see how they learned it versus how we did.
This activity is making reviewing for the exam lots of fun and is helping to boost the students' confidence.
In class, we've been taking pre-tests and preparing at home, kind of studying a little bit more.
The school is proud of the parents for testing their math knowledge, and their involvement plays a big role in motivating students and preparing them for success.
We thought it would be fun to kind of bring them in, challenge them, because it's been a challenge for them all year, supporting their students as well, and just have some fun with it. So Are You Smarter Than a Fourth Grader kind of mirrors what the True Game Show was, but it also kind of gave us an opportunity to get our community involved with participating.
The school will continue the competition with third and fifth grade students competing against their parents. At Okatie Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.